In this video, I'll show you how to save your sheets and view frames as a template, making it easy to reuse them in your future projects. Let's dive right in. First off, once you've crafted your sheet and view frames to perfection, it's time to save them as templates. Head over to the Sheet tab. Here you spot the Save Sheet Template option, which is located in the Sheet Template group. Give it a click. Next, provide a name for your template and designate its location in the Sheets folder. Once done, simply hit Save. The same process applies for saving view frames as templates, found within the View Frame template group. Now that you've saved your custom templates, let me walk you through how to load them into other projects. Open an existing project or create a fresh one. You'll locate your sheet template conveniently placed at the end of the shaft wizard, or under the Sheet tab via the Load Sheet button. For the view frame template, just click on Load View Frame and pick your saved template. Voila! Notice how all your meticulously adjusted settings seamlessly transferred over to the new project. It's that simple to streamline your workflow and maintain consistency across projects. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the playlist A3 and reached the next level of proficiency. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching!